find out what it would be like if you lived here.
Welcome to Falls Church. This is Falls Church, Fairfax County. So about a mile and a half from where we were. Really wonderful location. We are super close to Falls Church City. We're also super close to the West Falls Church Metro. We're about half a mile away.
So what year was this house built in?
This house was built in 1956. It's a Rambler. It's solidly built, and it's going to appeal to somebody who wants to do a little work. So this is a big, exactly. You have to have a little vision to see what it could be, but it's a really fabulous house.
Great, because we haven't seen a lot of fixer-uppers, so these are always fun.
We're excited.
Great.
Shall we take a look?
Let's go take a look.
We'll follow you.
All right, welcome to this vintage kitchen. Isn't it fabulous?
It's like reliving my childhood. My aunts and uncles' homes, my friends and neighbors' homes. This was it. It's a mashup.
Oh, I just can't get over how great of shape it's in.
It's in excellent condition.
Yeah.
As soon as you walk in, you just feel like how solid this home is.
Good bones, right?
Good
Absolutely.
bones, exactly.
Right. So a lot of it is original. The whole point is that we want someone to see what the house could really truly be and start their own story here.
Oh,
Sure.
exactly.
Continue on and I'll meet you out back.
Straight down this way.
All right, the first stop on our tour. This is the dining room, but this is a really good-sized dining room.
Sure is, with a good-sized window overlooking that backyard.
All right, let's check out this next room.
Okay, classic den for this period.
Right. You know, your instinct would be to paint this paneling.
Oh, no.
But I actually like it.
I would leave it just the way it is. But we're not buying this house, somebody else's, so.
Right. We'll continue on through the living room. Nice fireplace.
Beautiful mantle, and they have gas.
So the bedrooms and bathroom down here.
That's right. Full bathroom
All
here.
right.
Oh my gosh, the sink is original. That's incredible. Time capsule.
I have never seen tile in this nice of shape in this floor. It's like brand new.
It's pristine. I love this tub, how it's set back. Very cool.
Okay, here's bedroom number 1. Oh, wait.
Adorable.
Oh, hello. You like to make a pledge to WETA? Thank you.
You're always working. We used to have that phone, same color.
I think we did too. Bedroom number 2. Oh, I wasn't expecting this spacious of a bedroom back here.
Sure is. Double closets, nice windows. And, okay, another one of the bedrooms. Look,
Okay.
Grandma, Grandpa's.
This is definitely 50s.
Yeah, cute. And bathroom. Tina, look at this tile.
Oh, that is amazing.
I have never seen tile like that.
Well, you know, it's so hard to believe that this was put in the 50s.
I know.
And it's so in today.
I love it.
I would leave this tile too.
I would too. I'd get rid of the wallpaper, freshen that up. But
Well, you know what? There's a lot of wallpaper.
Yeah.
That's the one thing. I mean, you have to take some time to kind of take care of that, but definitely I would leave the tile.
this house has potential. All right, down to the basement. All right. Hey, this is the rec room. I mean, rumpus room. Okay, so this is my childhood right here. This room.
Well, it's good size and it's got a great fireplace.
Yeah, and a bar.
Oh, hey. Well, have a seat at the bar.
I guess it's 5 o'clock somewhere.
Well, let me make you a little something.
Oh, look, well, you're fast with this
Oh, a
service.
grasshopper.
A grasshopper, how period of you. That's perfect for this house.
So, tell me your woes.
Well, the only woe I have is, whoa, did you see this wallpaper? That is awesome.
It's timeless. And I have to give a shout out to these Naughty Pine cabinets.
Very period specific.
And you know what? They didn't even paint them.
Even better, right?
All
Okay,
right, I
thanks
think
for
we
the
did.
drink. No tip.
Oh,
Okay,
thank
sorry.
you.
Okay. Well, welcome to the Arboretum back here.
I know, right?
Yeah, you
Quite
didn't
a
tell us
yard.
there was a soccer field back here.
It is. It sits on 0.62 acres. The original owners also planted 350 azalea bushes in this yard.
Oh my
So
gosh.
you'll see
300, are you sure, Bethany?
1, 2,
We're gonna count them after we're done.
and the great thing about this neighborhood too are there are covenants that you can't subdivide the lot. So it's one
Okay.
house on a lot.
Right. You usually start putting 2 places on
Or
the side of
3,
the lot.
yes.
That's
Right.
true.
Yeah.
I'm really curious. How many owners have been in this home?
1.
Okay.
So the
right.
original owner picked out the lot and built the house on it.
Brought back a lot of nostalgia too.
It did for me.
The bones of this house are amazing. And, you know, we really hope that someone can buy the house, not tear it down. We want them to create their own story. All right, are you ready to guess?
Can you run down all the details on the home once more?
Absolutely. 3 bedrooms, 2 full baths and 1 half bath in the basement. It's about 2,400 square feet. We have a 1-car garage.
I'm thinking about the value of the land and the house, and I'm a novice, so
Won't hold you to it.
I'm going to make a guess today
Okay?
of, and I feel like changing it at the last second, but
No,
I'm not
go
going.
with your gut like you always say.
$840,000.
Okay.
Christine?
All right. I think I applaud you.
Thank you.
But I don't think you're correct.
Probably not, but yeah.
Okay, I'm actually gonna go higher. All right. I'm gonna go, I'm sorry, what did you say again?
840.
Oh, I'm gonna go higher. I'm gonna go 875.
And the winner is ding, 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 875.
Oh my gosh, I have a spot
She got it on the
On
nose.
the nose.
Unbelievable.
Oh my gosh, this is the first time I've ever done that. Where's my confetti?
No confetti, but I do have this.
What have you done, Bethany? Don't encourage her with this.
I'm just gonna carry this around.
She'll
with
probably frame it. It's
me. I
terrible.
will.